In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Pro Search for deeper research and source-backed synthesis. If you want stronger answers, better context, and sources you can actually verify, this workflow is a great place to start. The goal here is not just to get a quick response, but to guide the tool toward a more thoughtful, research-driven result that you can review and use with confidence. First, turn on Pro Search. This setting enables deeper, multi-step analysis, which means the system takes more time to investigate a topic, compare information, and build a more complete response. This is especially useful when you're working on something that needs nuance, such as a research summary, a market overview, or a topic with competing viewpoints. Instead of relying on a shallow answer, ProSearch helps generate a more layered synthesis. Next, set the focus filter based on the kind of information you need. If you're looking for scholarly publications, choose academic. This is the better option when your priority is peer-reviewed research, formal studies, and sources that are more appropriate for academic or evidence-based work. If your goal is to find current market data, recent developments, or broader online coverage, switch the filter to web. Choosing the right focus at the start helps the search stay aligned with your purpose and saves time later when reviewing results. Once that's set, prompt the system clearly for synthesis. Ask for a comprehensive breakdown of your topic and specify what you want included. For example, request a breakdown that covers key arguments, a timeline, and sources. The more direct and structured your request is, the easier it is for the system to organize the response in a useful way. This step matters because a vague prompt often leads to a vague answer, while a focus prompt encourages a clearer, more actionable output. After the response appears, take time to review the citations. Click the listed source numbers to inspect where the information came from. This lets you verify claims, check whether the sources are strong and relevant, and make sure the summary accurately reflects the original material. If the sources look good, export the primary source links to your reference manager so you can keep everything organized for later use. That's the full process. Turn on ProSearch, choose the right focus filter, ask for a comprehensive synthesis, and verify and export your citations. Used together, these features can help you move from a simple answer to a much more reliable research workflow.